when system is connecting to the router to access a particular, see, like we discussed about, there is a DMG. DMG may you have a different kinds of server, email server and web server. Such servers are available, database server, and maybe this is your internal network. But if somebody is doing ARP from outside, so ARP is what exactly? Traverses IP address into the MAC address. So if we wanted to know a MAC address of any server, and if we have a between a router or something like a firewall, rather than contacting the packets, when I contacted the packet to the particular web server to knowing about a MAC address, instead of sending that MAC address from forwarding that packet to the respective, this router itself gives his own MAC address as a proxy. As if it is app services is on, so then it says that it gives that yes, I am available. You can forward me to the packet, so that once it gets the packet, it can forward to that respective services. So what does mean? It is working like an ARP proxy server. ARP proxy server. It is acting as a router, as a proxy server. So ARP proxy is by default all Cisco management switches, all Cisco routers are available this feature. And in case you are not running, you don't want to use this service, it's always better to release. It's always better to release this activity. So immediately, this is where ARP proxy is required. ARP proxy is required. This, what is the configuration? See, ARP proxy disable. So you have to go to the which IP address. Suppose let's say you config hyphen interface, which you have to enter first interface, that particular interface E0, because that particular interface is talking on behalf of that server. So if your router may be having 2 or 3 interfaces, and each interface there are behind some machines, whichever the machine you are pinging, on behalf of that machine, that interface should respond. That's what we are saying, the interface. Then when into go to the config, you will config if may, you will go to that. Then you have to write no IP proxy ARP hyphen ARP. So that is you are giving. Then you have to exit or control Z. So this is where you will configure a disable proxy ARP server and exit and control Z. Okay, then